welcome YouTubers to another video. And we're gonna roast more ricegum on Peytoncombs. And I'm playing with my brother, so without further ado, let's kill and roast. Okay.
Let's kill you.
Put a beat on, Peyton. Let's do some rapping. Or ricegum thinks he's the big YouTuber. I'm not trying to rap, by the way. He thinks he's a big YouTuber, but he ain't. He thinks he can rap, but he can't. He dropped out of school cause so he can roast little kids.
We're going to make a different map because it ain't starting the game. We have to have more than 2 players on that.
Make little kids cry.
So go under, exit out of that map and quit the game.
I'm gonna be dropping. Everybody's gonna be dropping L's when I get done with ricegum.
Family games, like capture, co-op.
Nobody's afraid of ricegum. Who has the nickname of ricegum? Like, for real. Does he eat gum that's in rice? Like, rice have gum in it?
Password is in. You ready to go down on the sniper fort?
I'm waiting until it refreshes.
Go back to the lobby. Not how much level out all your friends. Probably is. I'm the big.
Subscribe, Subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll be in the Legend Army. Okay? The Tuber Army.
I'm team 1.
And we're gonna be taking down ricegum. Put a beat down. And suggest some stuff that I should do, like Truth or Dare, prank calls. I don't just suggest stuff. Games. Screen cheater. You screen cheat, ain't fair, Peyton. That's how you got that kill. You screen cheated. I could have got that kill. Okay, my name is ricegum, and I roast little kids so they can cry. Where is he?
Look behind you.
Oh, what the heck?
I had a parachute on. Oh yeah, another one. Times. Don't kill me, I gotta go get my phone charger. You promise you won't kill me?
Yes.
I wonder if ricegum's gonna see this video.
I want him to roast me.
Dude, you said no.
Oh. You say your name is Brian E. ricegum, but it's actually Brian. That dude's stupid.
Did you just kill yourself?
No.
Why is it said you did?
I didn't. Gosh. Must be broken.
Quick scope. Nope.
Jump. Jump.
Get on my face, Raggy.
Jump. I get to do what I want. I own this game. Hey, it's a freaking grenade. I got 3 grenades. Cheater.
B-word.
You don't get me jump.
Stop coming over here, bro.
Jump.
It's supposed to be snipers. Not faggots. Where you at?
Where are you at?
You jumped in, you were.
He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me.
I'm gonna tank you.
Got the ammo. What are you gonna go do to me?
Thank you.
What? No, this ain't fair.
Same there.
Ain't fair. Well, ricegum's stupid. Annoying. And this is ricegum. I just shot ricegum. Well, this is the end of the video. Subscribe and all that cool stuff.